In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a customer payment efficiently and accurately using your business management software. This skill is essential for maintaining a healthy cash flow and ensuring your accounts are up to date. So let's dive into the process. First things first, we'll begin by opening the customer payment window. To do this, head over to the top menu of your business software where you'll see the Business tab. Click on it and navigate down to Customer. From there, you'll find an option labeled Process Payment. Selecting this will open up the customer payment window and set the stage for us to handle the transaction details. Once you've got the payment window up, the next step is to select the customer who made the payment. In the software, you should have a drop-down menu or a list of your customers. This is where you should carefully choose the customer in question. Selecting the correct customer is crucial because it ensures that their records are accurately updated with the received payment. With the customer selected, it's time to move on to choosing the invoice that is being paid. You'll typically see a list of open invoices that are associated with the customer you selected. Take a moment to find the invoice that corresponds with the payment. This helps us correctly apply the payment and keep our accounts in order. Now, it's time to enter the payment details. This is where you'll need to pay attention and input the relevant information. Start by selecting the payment method. You might be dealing with cash, a bank transfer, or perhaps a check. The software should give you a few options to choose from, so pick the one that matches the transaction. Next, you'll want to specify where the money will be deposited. Typically, this would be a checking account or any other account your business uses for such purposes. It's essential to get this right to ensure that your funds are tracked correctly. Lastly, enter the payment amount. This should match the amount your customer paid, and these details ensure we have an accurate record. To wrap up, we're going to post the payment. You'll do this by clicking the OK or Post button within the customer payment window. What happens here is that the invoice will be marked as paid, and your account balance will adjust accordingly to reflect this transaction. And that's it. You've successfully recorded a customer payment. By following these steps, you ensure that your financial records remain precise and your customer accounts are up to date. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, maintaining accurate records is a cornerstone of effective business management. Until next time,